How
How
to
to
pin a
pin a
message in
message in
Slack.
Slack.
Got to instruct your coworkers about the meeting that is very urgent and you have sent it a message. You have sent the message, but there is lots of chats on more information going down. Then you can always filter and pin the message that is important if in channels, be it in channels or direct message. Go to the channel. There you can see the message that you have sent and simply hold on it. There you can see edit message mark on red, remind me and more action. So simply go on more action. There you can see the option of pin to conversation. Simply tap on it. Like this, your important notice and your message will be sent and pinned so that your colleagues won't miss out meeting that you have kept.